How successful businesses balance assets, investments, and employee compensation. Small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, often prioritize asset investments over employee compensation. Assets like machinery, technology, or real estate seem more tangible and provide easier access to loans. However, undercompensated or unmotivated employees can lead to the ineffective use of these assets, ultimately reducing returns on investment. This unbalanced approach often results in demotivated employees and higher costs in the long run. The Equal framework focuses on evaluate, quantify, utilize, adjust, and leverage to help SMEs create a more balanced allocation of resources between asset investments and employee compensation. Wait, are you sure you are exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at How Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.